Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be building another train from the UK here, and we're going to be building this Colas Rail Freight Class 37 locomotive. And we have already done a Class 37 on the channel, but I stumbled across this on social media the other day, and I love brightly painted locomotives, so I had to build it. So this is what it looks like. Now let's get right into it. So we're going to start off on the bottom with some polished deep slate walls, and we're going to put 3 on the bottom middle. On the front of it, we're going to put a black stone brick top slab in the center and a forward facing bamboo stair on either side. Then an upside down bamboo stair facing outward on the outer edges. Above that, a black stone brick block in the middle, then 2 forward facing, upside down bamboo stairs on either side of it here. Then on the top, we're going to put 5 black stone brick walls. On this middle block, we're going to put a sideways hanging dark oak sign, and then open a dark oak fence gate on either side of it. On each top corner, put a polished deep slate wall, and then close a dark oak trapdoor on each one. And then we'll come behind here. Behind these walls on the bottom, we're going to put a netherite wheel on each rail, then a polished deep slate top slab, then 2 rows of 3 bottom slabs in the middle, 2 top slabs on the middle. Then a netherite wheel on each rail, a top slab in the middle, 2 rows of 3 bottom slabs again, 2 on the top middle, and a third set of netherite wheels with a slab in the middle. Then we're going to put a fence gate on the back of these 2 wheels. Then we're going to go through and put a hopper on the side of all 6 netherite wheels. Then we're going to put 2 dark oak fence gates on all of these stairs between here and open them. Repeat on this side. So 2 here and open them, 2 here. Then we'll crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper. And of course repeat it on this side. Then we're going to come back here with black stone brick block on the bottom. And right behind these fence gates, we're going to go 3 wide in the middle, then 1 in the middle, then 3 wide again. Then put a black stone brick slab on the bottom here and here. On top of this, do a 3x3 of black stone brick blocks. Then we'll do a line of black stone brick blocks across the center of this truck and up to the front. On the side of this, put a full row of dark oak fence gates here. And repeat on this side, a full row of dark oak fence gates here. Then we're going to come up here and crouch and put a single polished deep slate slab on top of all 6 of these hoppers here. Then come out here and we'll put a wither skeleton skull above all 3 wheels. And same thing on this side. Then come up here and crouch again, and we're going to put 2 dark oak trapdoors on top of these fences here. And 2 right here. And then repeat it on this side. Then we're going to come behind this and take out black stone brick block. And we're going to come and put 1 block on this top middle and a fence gate on either side of it. Then behind that, we're going to drop 1 block to the bottom and go 3 wide with black stone brick block, 1 in the middle, then 3 wide. Then a bottom slab on the center here and here. On top of it, a 3x3 of black stone brick block up here. Then behind this on bottom, we're going to put a fence gate on each rail. Then behind that, a netherite wheel on each rail. Then a polished deep slate top slab in the middle. Then 2 rows of 3 bottom slabs in the middle, 2 top slabs on the middle. Then another set of netherite wheels and a slab. 2 rows of 3 bottom slabs, 2 in the middle, and a third set of netherite wheels with a slab in the middle. In front of this, 3 polished deep slate walls like that. Then put a hopper on all 6 of these netherite wheels. And then open 2 fence gates on the sides of all of these stairs on all 4 of these gaps. Then crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on each hopper. And same thing on this side. Then we're going to come up on the front of these walls here and put a black stone brick top slab on the center right here. Then we'll do a line of black stone brick blocks all the way across the top till you're over this slab. On the side of it, a row of dark oak fence gates, and we're going to stop one block before the end above the polished deep slate wall. Same thing here, start above this wall and a row of fence gates across here. Then we'll come up top and crouch and put a single polished deep slate slab on all 6 hoppers. And then 2 dark oak trapdoors above the fence gates on all 4 of these gaps here. Then we'll come out here and put a wither skeleton skull on top of all 3 wheels. Then we're going to come in front of this on bottom, and on each rail we're going to put a forward facing bamboo stair here and here. Then an upside down stair facing outward on either side. Above it, 2 upside down stairs facing forward on either side. And then on top of that, 5 black stone brick walls. Then we're going to take a hanging dark oak sign, and we're going to put one sideways on this middle block. Open a dark oak fence gate on either side, and on each top corner a polished deep slate wall, and then close the trapdoor on each one. Then we'll swing around behind this on the 3rd layer, and we're going to start at one end up here, and we're just going to fill this all in 3 wide in the middle up here with our polished black stone brick block. And we're going to go ahead and bring that all the way across the top, right down to the other end. Just like that. Next, take out acacia stairs and come on the side of the top behind this wall, and we're going to do upside down stairs facing outward, and we're going to start in that corner, and we're going to do a line of 16 stairs till you get right here. And then repeat on this side, so line up that same way and do 16 upside down acacia stairs facing outward. Make sure they're all upside down here till you get right here. Then behind it, a line of upside down bamboo stairs across here to the other side. And same thing here, a line of bamboo stairs right here as well. Now come on top of these black stone brick walls and go 5 wide of yellow concrete, then 1 on either side of the top. In the middle, put 3 blocks of gold. Then on the top middle, 3 yellow concrete and a bamboo slab on each top corner. Then put iron bar here and here, 3 glow item frames like this, all with frog lights. On the bottom corner is a mangrove button, above it a stone button on each side, and then a bamboo button here and here. We repeat at the other end, so on top of these walls, 5 yellow concrete, 1 on either side of the top, 3 blocks of gold, 3 yellow concrete on the top middle, and a bamboo slab on the corners. Then an iron bar here and here, mangrove button on the bottom corner, stone buttons above each of those, bamboo button here and here, then 3 glow item frames like this with frog lights in it. Then we'll come around behind this. Now on this end that has the acacia stairs, we're going to put 5 orange concrete on either side of the bottom. Then at the front, 2 deep slate tile walls on either side, and 2 black stone brick slab on top of the walls on each side. Across here, 2 rows of 3 black concrete. Then back here, 3 orange concrete on either side. Then above that, 3 black concrete on each side. Then across here, we're going to do cyan stained glass, black concrete, cyan stained glass, black concrete, and then stained glass. On this front middle, a cyan stained glass pane here, and a black stained glass pane on either side. Then back here, 2 cyan stained glass panes on the top of each side. Then on this end, on the bottom, we're going to do 5 yellow concrete powder on each side. Then 2 deep slate tile walls here and here, and 3 yellow concrete powder behind it on each side. Up here, 2 black stone brick slabs on each side, 2 rows of 3 black concrete across here. Then 3 black concrete on the top of each side back here. Then across here, cyan stained glass, concrete, cyan stained glass, concrete, cyan stained glass. Then up here, a cyan stained glass pane in the middle and a black stained glass pane on either side. Then 2 cyan stained glass panes on either side of the top back here. Now come down here and put 2 upside down bamboo stairs here and 2 here. Then we're going to put a bamboo door on top of each one, but make them so they're inset like this. Then on this end, 2 upside down acacia stairs here and 2 here. And then we'll put a jungle door here and here. Then we're going to do a line of orange concrete across the bottom to the end of these acacia stairs here. And then same thing on this side here. Then we're going to come down to this corner, put an orange concrete on either side. Then 2 deep slate tile walls on each side. And then behind that, we're going to do 5 orange concrete. And then repeat on the other side, so 5 orange concrete over here. Then here, we're going to do a deep slate tile wall and then a yellow concrete powder. Then come back down here, we're going to do a black concrete on either side. Then 2 deep slate tile walls again. And then a black concrete again, here and here. On top of this, put 4 black concrete up here, and then 4 here. Then we'll go ahead and take iron bars, and we're going to put 4 iron bars on either side of this door on this end. And we can repeat on this side, 4 iron bars on either side of the door down here. Just like that. Then we're going to come down over here and add 3 orange concrete here and 3 here. Then right here, a deep slate tile wall and another one, and then 2 deep slate tile walls here as well. Then a yellow concrete powder here and here. Then we're going to come down here and do a column of 2 yellow concrete powder on each side here and here. Then a column of 2 deep slate tile walls on either side. And then 2 yellow concrete powder here, 2 here. Then up here, we're going to do a black concrete, then a cyan stained glass pane, and then another black concrete here and here. Then on top of this end, by the bamboo door, a black concrete here and here. Then we're going to take out black stone brick stairs, and we're going to put 2 stairs right side up facing this way on each side. Then turn around and 1 stair going this way. Turn around, 1 stair going this way. Turn around back the other way on each side. Turn around going this way. And then finally 2 stairs going this way on each side of the top here. So it looks like that. Now come down on this corner, put a polished blackstone button here and a bamboo button here. Repeat on this side, so polished blackstone and bamboo. Then come to the other end, put a polished blackstone button here and an acacia button here. And repeat it on this side, so a polished blackstone button and an acacia button like this. Then we're going to come under this cab window here. And for the logo here, we're just going to put a blank dark oak sign here. Then under an acacia sign with our number, which will be 37421. Hit it with a glowing sack. Repeat on this side, so a dark oak sign here, an acacia sign under it with 37421. And hit that with a glowing sack. Then we'll come under this cab, put a dark oak sign right here. Under this, a bamboo sign with 37421. Hit that sign with a glowing sack. And come over here and do the same thing, so a dark oak sign right here, and a bamboo sign under it with 37421. And hit it with a glowing sack. Then right here, put 2 dark oak signs, then 2 here, skip 1 and 2 here, and that'll represent the lettering. Copy it on this side, so 2 dark oak signs here, skip 1, 2 here, and then 2 right here. Then come up here and put 4 iron bars on either side of this door. And of course do the same thing on this side, 4 iron bars on either side of this door here. Then we're going to come up top, and right here we're going to put a dark oak trapdoor on each corner and a black stone brick slab here and here, leaving the middle open. Repeat here, so a slab here and here, and a dark oak trapdoor on each corner. Then behind this, we're going to go 3 wide in the middle with black concrete on top. And we're going to go ahead and just bring that all the way across the top to the other end, so the whole roof gets built in here. Right down to here. And then on this top outer edge, we're going to do a full line of black stone brick slabs across here on the bottom hitbox. And of course, we do the same thing over here, a full line of black stone brick bottom slabs across here. Then we're going to come on this cab that's yellow, and we're going to come 1 block behind where that door is and do a plus shape of iron trap doors here with an oak trap door in the center. Then we're going to skip a block back from this, and we're going to change this block to a decorated pot and this one. Then skip a block back from that, and on each side do 5 dark oak trap doors in a line. Then skip a block and make a 3x3 square of dark oak buttons like this. Now we'll do the interior, so come on inside here with cut sandstone. And we're going to put 2 rows of 3 under this window here, and then on this bottom row, fill this floor in 3 wide and come back 1 block behind the door. Repeat it on this end, so 2 rows of 3 under this window here. And then on the bottom, fill it in 3 wide till it's 1 block behind these doors. Then behind this, we're going to fill this whole floor in with netherite blocks. Bring that down to the other end. Then we're going to add a smooth sandstone stair on the right here and one on the right here. Up here, 2 glow item frames with compasses and a lever on the left. Turn around and do a stair here and here for seats. Back here, do this L shape of cut sandstone, in the middle a blast furnace, and on the left a door. And we need to do the other cab, so come down to the other end. So up here, a glow item frame with compasses here and here, a lever on the left. Turn around and a stair here and here for seats. Back here, an L shape of cut sandstone, blast furnace in the middle, then a door. Then we'll come in here and do the engine compartment. Right here, do a 2x2 of reinforced deep slate with 4 polished deep slate slabs on top. 2 gray shulker boxes here with a brewing stand on top. 3 decorated pots in the middle here, then 5 anvils down the center. On top of the anvils, put 5 netherite blocks, and then go through and put a dark oak button on each netherite block. Repeat on this side. And then finally, on top of that, we'll do another 5 anvils up here. And now, our interior is all complete here. And we can come back outside. So there we have it, folks. We finally completed our Cola's Rail Freight Class 37 locomotive. I hope everyone enjoyed this build. I really like this paint scheme, so I wanted to build it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.